Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo A96. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter password and biometrics, and go to lock screen password. Unlock this menu and select modify password. Now enter use a different type of password. As you can see right here, we've got a few types of passwords: pattern, 4-digit password, 4 to 16-digit password, and password with 4 to 16 alphanumeric characters. Also, right here we've got another type of password, which is 6-digit password. Firstly, let's select it. And let's use it to unlock the phone. Now, let's select 4-digit password. Select 4 to 16-digit password. Now, password with 4 to 16 alphanumeric characters. And in the end, pattern. Once it's done, we can go back and add fingerprint. A fingerprint sensor is right here on this button. Simply tap it multiple times and adjust fingerprint position each time. And the last method to unlock the phone is face unlock. Enter this menu and simply scan your face on this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.